make sure that your hands are in the middle of the chest. Okay, sa gitna talaga. Kung babae, the nipple will no longer be that accurate. Lalo na kung medyo mababa na, no? So, yun ang gagawin natin. Feel the notch from the dito sa the neck. Run your finger down until you feel the soft bone. Above the soft bone, 2 inches or 2 finger breadths. Dito. Yan. So, dito. Okay? Kuha. Why do I need to keep on saying that? Because it's very important that you know where to place your hand. Importante po yun. Hindi dito, hindi dito, hindi dito, hindi dito. Lalo na hindi dito. Mamamatay siya. So, dito tayo sa gitna. Okay? And then, lean over. And then again, I said, use your hip as a fulcrum. The upper weight of your body should be compressing. Ano sinabi ni Dr. Rana? Ilang compressions? 30. So, okay.